Let's try another color line. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is swatch testing Lunar Tides Color. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share this video all around, and comment down below. So today's video comes as a recommendation from my comments section, so I do actually read them, yes. I received a comment on the UV reactive color video to try the Lunar Tides UV reactive color. So I grabbed one of their UVs. I kind of want to see if the rest are UV. So please comment down below if you've tried Lunar Tides color. Tell me about your experience, or feel free to share other color recommendations or product recommendations down below in the comments. I super appreciate, as a New York City hairstylist, I absolutely love trying new colors, especially pinks, to help, you know, bring my clients a bright, give their look a kiss, you know? So stay tuned to the end of the video to see if this UV reactive Lunar Tides Neon Dragonfruit is going to be my new pink. We're gonna decide that today. Okay, so what am I looking for in a swatch test? I am looking for consistency, consistency of the product itself. How much control do I have over the product as I'm applying it to the hair? I'm looking for saturation. Is there an even deposit of color from root to end? Or am I really having to gob on color just to get a complete coating of color through the hair? So we gotta look at saturation. We're gonna look at tonal quality. Is the result, the tonal quality of the color, is the result on pre-light and level 10 hair what is advertised? For example, does it match the Lunar Tides swatch that they provide on the website? When you're working with a blue, for example, is this a true blue? Does it match what's here and on the swatch? When it's in the hair, does it reflect more green than it's advertised? Does it reflect a bit of violet? Is it a full-bodied blue when it's applied and then rinses out to a pastel afterwards? So we're gonna look at that, tonal quality. We're also going to be mindful of perfume. I'm very sensitive to a lot of fragrance in my products, so I don't necessarily want a pink sitting on my head that's heavily perfumed for 30 minutes and just getting that, just so much perfume. It's not for me. And then does that perfume, does that aroma stay in the hair after we rinse the applied color, or is there a lingering fragrance? So that's very important for me to look at. And lastly, we are going to check to see if these colors are UV reactive. I'm a nightlife kind of gal, so when I go out, I want my hair to make an impact in every lighting that the venue has to offer, including black light, okay? I want to be glowing wherever I go. So let's get into this application. Okay, so I'm gonna start with our blue. I went with Cyan Sky, and just focus on our cyan blue. Here we go. Not a ton of perfume. It smells kind of sweet. Nice thick consistency. So okay, we're gonna have that's pretty thick. We're gonna have hopefully a lot of control over the application. Let's get her on there. Oh yeah, love the control. And I do like how this product is just saturating the hair. All right, Cyan Sky, we got our first swatch. Okay, let's move into Nightshade. Nightshade is a beautiful, deep, violety purple. Again, gorgeous, thick consistency. It's just clinging to my brush, and then boom, it immediately wants to cling to the hair. Ooh, I like this purple. I hope it rinses out like this because that is really beautiful. Again, really feel like I'm not having to use a ton of product to saturate the hair. And it stretches through the hair nicely, which is always great. Especially if you're working with a ton of hair. You want to be able to move that color through the hair so that you're not using a million tubes of color on one client, you know? Okay, now we are going to try our Lychee Pink. Oh. Okay, well that's a little bit of a... It's a little lighter than I thought it would be, but maybe I'll double check the swatch that Lunar Tide advertises, because I had something else in my head, but this is actually really gorgeous. It's very rosy pink. Wow, that's really pretty. Whoop. Last up, we have our Neon Dragonfruit. I'm pretty excited about this because I like the way it looks here. And if I remember the swatch, remember liking the swatch, and hope maybe this is my next root color. Okay, Lunar Tides. Neon Dragonfruit. That is bright. That is bright and beautiful, and ooh, I wanna like this one, I really do. Whoa, look at it go. That is a gorgeous application. That is smooth. I like that. Aroma again. It is kind of a sweet smell. So we have our swatches all lined up and ready to go. Our Cyan Sky. It matches my gloves. How cute. Nightshade, this beautiful violet. Lychee Pink, which is looking like it kind of looks like Arctic Fox's Virgin Pink. It's a little bit more of that berry tone. And then our, boom, bright Neon Dragonfruit. So we're gonna let this sit for 20 minutes. Let them process, we're gonna rinse them out, and we're gonna have our final thoughts on it. I'm gonna go ahead and tag these colors down in the description box below. If you decide to purchase any of these individual colors from the affiliate links below, that kickback goes towards bringing you guys more content and is super appreciated. So let's go ahead and let these process, and I will be right back to you. All right, rinsed and ready for review. Let's start over here with our Cyan Sky. I love the color. All of these. I do love the color. I do love the pigmentation. They're true to tone. They are what is advertised, and yeah, that is what I'm, and I don't know if you guys can see it as well as I can, but I don't feel like the saturation is great. It's all right. I still feel like there's some hollowness in all the, well, maybe not through here, but between the blue, the Cyan Sky, and Nightshade, I'm feeling like there's just some bits that are a little more, it might be the application, the way I applied it, but my second thought is, yes, they are beautiful, they are shiny. I would like a little more shine and vibrancy from my colors. But that aside, I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Really love the berry tone of the Lychee Pink. I love a blue-based purple. This is a very nice violet. It's a true violet. Let's talk about this Neon Dragonfruit. It is a little hollow. I feel like in the saturation, I have like a little more boldness in the pink, but in terms of tone, I like the tone. I will try it in my hair. I don't think it's my new pink, and I say that just because I want a little more shine and just like it's but it's not you know? But, ooh, let's see if all right, a little bit of that fragrance lingered in the hair. Maybe it dissipates a little more. I'll check back in a while. I don't like that there's a little bit of lingering. of the aroma. Yeah. But let's get down to this black light. That's what we're all waiting for, right? Our neon Dragonfruit down here at the end definitely has some UV reactive quality. Yeah, I'm getting a little UV off of our neon Dragonfruit. The rest, nope, they just go dark. But I need it to be like this. It should be like this. That, it's not. Not as UV as I would like. In conclusion, there are things about Lunar Tides that I like, but I'm a little disappointed in this neon Dragonfruit. I wanted it to be brighter. Okay, well, we tried, and I'm gonna continue to work with these. I like the tone, so I will continue to work with these going forward, these Lunar Tides. Maybe I will try more of their UV reactive line. Maybe we stay tuned and see if that's something that I come back around to. So thank you guys for joining me today while we swatch test some shades from Lunar Tides Hair Color. We went with Cyan Sky, Nightshade, Lychee Pink, and Neon Dragonfruit. These will all be tagged in the description box down below. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, subscribe, share, and remember to comment down below if there's something you would like to see here on the channel, be it a color line or a product, a tip, a trick, a little help with this or that. I'm getting to some more videos from your comments, and yes, all of that is coming for you. In the meantime, you can follow me on social media, Give Your Hair a Kiss on Facebook and Instagram. You can check me out at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, you can book an appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth. We'll have a great time. But until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.